A is for art. B is for breathe. C is for count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. D is for dance. E is for eating fruits and vegetables. F is for fun with friends. G is for glitter cup. H is for hug. I is for imagine. J is for joke. K is for kick a ball. L is for listen to music. M is for muscles relaxing. N is for a nature walk. O is for organize. P is for pray. Q is for quiet. R is for read. S is for self-talking. T is for talk about your feelings. U is for unplug, like your iPads and your phones. Push it away. V is for vision board. W is for write. X is for your xylophone. Y is for yoga, where you can breathe and stretch. Z is for sleeping and snoring.